नमस्ते एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल संस्कारा बाय निशिता। आई होप कि आप लोग एकदम स्वस्थ, मस्त और तंदुरुस्त होंगे। तो आज की वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं कुछ ऐसे आसन की जो हेल्प करेगा हमें बेटर डाइजेशन में। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी मोर टाइम, लेट्स डाइव इन। सबसे पहले जानते हैं कि व्हाट इज डाइजेशन। अगर सिंपल टर्म्स में बात करें, जो हम खाना खाते हैं, जो भी उसके अंदर न्यूट्रिएंट्स होते हैं वो अच्छे से बॉडी में एब्जॉर्ब हो सके, ताकि द बॉडी इज वेल रिपेयर्ड, द body is growing properly. So this is what happens when your body has a good digestion. And also there are signs if you have constipation, irritable bowel syndrome, acidity, that means there is some issue with the gut and digestion. So these are clear signs. So we are going to be doing some asana that is going to help us in better digestion. Now yoga not only helps on the physical level but internally level also. Massages the organ, gives proper blood to the organs, and that's how it is going to help in digestion. Not only just yoga, you need to focus on other aspects also, like your sleep, your diet. Are you your sedentary lifestyle? Are you doing some kind of physical activity or not? So everything together creates a harmony for your body. So let's learn some asanas.
The first asana is the Pavitra Parshvakonasana. This is going to stimulate the digestive system through a deep twist. From a lunge position, bring your hands in prayer position in front of your chest. Now exhale and twist your torso towards the front leg. Place your elbow on the outside of your knee. Press your palms together and hold. The focus should be on the twist. Now inhale, come back. The next asana is the Supta Matsyendra Asana. This is also going to stimulate the digestive organ. You're going to lie down on your back with your legs extended. Bend your right knee. Bring it across your body to the left. Extend your right arm outwards and turn your head to the right. The focus should be on the twist. Hold for few breaths and then repeat on the other side. The next asana is the Ushtrasana. This asana stretches the abdominal region, improving the blood flow. You're going to start by kneeling on the floor with your knees hip-width apart. Place your hand on the lower back for support or on the heels. Now lean back and reach for the heels while arching your back. Keep your neck relaxed and try to open up the chest. The next asana is the Ardha Matsyendra Asana. You're going to sit with your legs extended. Now bend your right knee. Place your foot outside the left thigh. Now twist your torso to the right while exhaling. Place your left elbow outside your right knee and bring your chest out. The focus should be more on the twist. Hold for at least 5 to 10 breaths and then repeat on the other side. The next asana is the Falak Asana. This asana is going to strengthen your core muscles, supporting the digestive system. You're going to start by being on a tabletop position. Now you're going to step your feet back. Get the right foot back and the left foot back. Now keep your body in a straight line from head to heel. You should feel your core engaged. Try to hold for at least 15 to 20 seconds and gradually increase the time. And then slowly come back. The next and the final asana is the Pavan Mukta Asana. You're going to lie down on your back. Bring your knees to the chest. Hug your knee with your arms. Now try to lift your head and chest to touch your nose to your knees. Now if you have cervical, I would advise avoid getting your neck up. You can relax, keep your head on the mat. Now hold the position for at least 5 to 10 breaths and then release and then switch your legs.
Thank you for watching my video. I hope you found this video useful. And if you did, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot. मैं अपने चैनल में ऐसे ही कुछ लाइफस्टाइल डिजीजेस डालती हूँ जिसके सोल्यूशन योगा और आयुर्वेदा में छुपा है, या कोई कॉम्प्लेक्स आसनास आपके लिए ब्रेक डाउन करती हूँ ताकि आप उसको इजीली अपने घर में कंफर्टेबली उसको परफॉर्म कर सके और आसना को इन डिटेल समझ सके. सो प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल. ऑल्सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू शेयर दिस वीडियो विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली. जिसको भी ये वीडियो हेल्प कर सकती है उसके साथ आप ये ज़रूर शेयर कीजिए. और हाँ, अगर आप एक ऐसे व्यक्ति हैं जो एक TTC ढूंढ रहे हैं ऑनलाइन अपने घर के कंफर्ट में, then you need to call on this number. We are going to share you all the details. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए नमस्ते.